How do I set up a keyboard for Roblox on my iPad?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps on how to set up a keyboard for Roblox on your iPad. This guide will help you to improve your gaming experience and take your Roblox gaming to the next level.
Understanding the necessity of an external keyboard.
Roblox on iPad is designed to be played using the touchscreen. However, some users may find it easier to navigate and control the game with a physical keyboard. It's important to note that you'll need an external Bluetooth keyboard to achieve this.
Pairing your Bluetooth keyboard with your iPad.
Here are the steps to pair your Bluetooth keyboard with your iPad. 1. Turn on your Bluetooth keyboard. Make sure it's charged and within range of your iPad. 2. On your iPad, open the Settings app. 3. Select Bluetooth from the list of options. 4. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If not, toggle the switch to turn it on. 5. Your keyboard should appear in the Other Devices section. If it doesn't, ensure your keyboard is in pairing mode. 6. Tap on the name of your keyboard to pair it.
Setting up Roblox for keyboard gameplay.
Once your keyboard is connected, you can now set up Roblox for keyboard play. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, there isn't a direct way to map keys within the Roblox app. However, Roblox should automatically detect the keyboard and most of the standard controls, WASD for movement, space for jumping, etc., should work as they do on a PC. That wraps up our guide on how to set up a keyboard for Roblox on your iPad. With your keyboard now connected, you should be all set to enjoy a more precise and controlled gaming experience on Roblox. Happy gaming!